Good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Gregorius Hartatinus Lase, a student from the Department of Agribusiness, Faculty of Agriculture, Universitas Medan Area. I am a student representative of the Universitas Medan Area in the 2022 Outstanding Student Selection event. Ladies and gentlemen, the Sustainable Development Goals are a global action plan agreed upon by world leaders, including Indonesia, to end poverty, reduce inequality, and protect the environment based on human rights and equality. The SDGs contain 17 goals with 169 measurable achievements and global deadline and target by 2030. One of these goals is not hunger. Not hunger is the second point the SDGs program. SDGs goals number 2 is not end hunger, achieve food security, improve nutrition, and promote sustainable agriculture. These goals is in the line with Indonesia development priorities, which are contained in the priority of food security and job creation. Hunger can be defined as a chronic lack of food consumption, a condition where the body needs food and nutrition to meet energy needs. According to the World Food Program, about 2.4 billion people make up nearly a third of the world's population in 2020. By 2021, around 193 million people will suffer from acute hunger. Furthermore, according to the Global Hunger Index, in 2021, Indonesia will be in the third position, highest rank in Southeast Asia in the Hunger Index, with an index score of 18 points and included in the moderate or moderate hunger level. This data is truly worrisome. It's very far off track. Ladies and gentlemen, not everyone has the confidence of obtaining and fulfilling the food they need. Most of the world's population today is not able to get enough food to meet their minimum energy needs. Millions of children under the age 5 years suffer from chronic acute malnutrition during times and food shortage, hunger, and social unrest, and this number continues to increase. Many factors cause hunger, such as poverty, instability of the government system, use of the environment that exceed capacities, discrimination, and poverty as children, women, and the elderly, limited for subsidies, rising food price, declining real income, and high unemployment are the main factors using hunger. Ladies and gentlemen, the danger of starvation is very dangerous to health and can even lead to death. We agree that health is number one. However, what about those who don't have access to fulfill their food needs? Every day people die for hunger. Based on recent report by the anti-poverty organization Oxfam, they say that 11 people die of hunger every minute around the world. It needs quick action to deal with it. SDGs number 2, namely zero access to end hunger, achieve food security, improve nutrition, and promote sustainable agriculture by ensuring access for all people. Meeting nutritional needs, doubling agricultural productivity and production incomes, ensuring sustainable food production system, and manage the genetic diversity of seeds, cultivated plants and livestock, and domesticate and wild species. So that's why I am here. Based on my student background in the Department of Agribusiness, Faculty of Agriculture, to support and participate as the problem solver. Ladies and gentlemen, all parties need to collaborate to solve this challenge. The best action is needed to provide food and provide humanitarian assistance to remote areas. We must collaborate and triple helix system or even pentahelix system. By collaboration between the government, the universities, site, the industries, even involves the media and the communities. The SDGs are yours, our human right, our challenge, and our obligation. Let's end hunger in the world. That's all for my speech. Thank you for your attention and have a good day.